Hi everybody, this is Gennaro Langella and today I'm gonna explain you how to make the Neapolitan style focaccia at home. The ingredients that we're gonna need are like 450 grams of double zero flour with 12 grams of proteins each 100 grams, then 285 grams of water, still water at room temperature, really important. Then 25 grams of extra virgin olive oil, 10 grams of salt, and about 8 grams of fresh brown yeast. And I'm gonna put also a half teaspoon of honey. So let's get started to making the dough. So we're gonna put first the flour, all the flour. I'm gonna take the yeast, put also the yeast, brown yeast, the half spoon of honey. I'm gonna turn around the machine with the hook. Press speed, that ingredients they start to oxygenate. Then we're gonna start to also put the water step by step. I'm gonna put first half, then I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then I continue to put the rest. When the ingredients are all absorbed, we're gonna start to add the oil, the extra virgin olive oil. Once the oil also is absorbed, we're gonna add the salt. Okay, after the dough is made, we're gonna wrap the plastic and we're gonna put the rice in the oven with the light on, but of course off, until it becomes double sides. So now that the dough is double rised, I gonna put a diesel of oil in the tray. We're gonna spread it all over the tray. It's really important, otherwise the pizza will get stuck. Okay. And we'll let it drop it slowly. There we go. Wait for, you can see the dough is rising, so we wait like for 5 minutes and then I'm gonna stretch. Okay, so after 5 minutes, the dough is resting a little bit in the tray, I'm gonna stretch in this way. I'm gonna help like this, okay, we're gonna stretch all over the tray. We're gonna cover with the plastic and we let rice double again. After more or less 1 hour, our focaccia is double also in the tray. We preheated the oven at 230 degrees. pizza in the oven. After 7 minutes more or less, when the pizza will be half cooked, we will add the cheese, the mozzarella cheese. Now, careful. There we go. Pizza is ready.